Hello, it's Iyesha. Today I'm going to show you how to do a face cleanse at home, a mini facial. First, select your favourite cleanser. I like to use a cleansing gel as I suffer with oily skin. The brand that I am using is iyesha Clinical. Because I have oily skin, I like to do 2 cleanses. If you have a much drier skin type, then only 1 cleanse will be needed. But if you are wearing makeup, I would always recommend 2 cleanses, just to get rid of the makeup and then your proper cleanse. Here I am removing my first cleanse. I am now applying my second cleanser. Make sure that you give yourself a good thorough cleanse to get rid of all the grime, oil and impurities within the skin. Once you have removed all traces of the cleanser, go ahead and select your favourite exfoliant to exfoliate all the dead skin cells. This is preparing the skin for the facial steam. The exfoliant helps to get rid of all those dead skin cells, stubborn grime and dirt and oil within the skin. So it's giving you a deep clean. As we get older, the skin tends to slow down for the cells to turn over. That means for the cells of the skin to come off to exfoliate. By doing an exfoliation, we are encouraging and helping the skin to renew itself, giving us brighter, cleaner, fresher, younger looking skin. Next, use your favourite toner. I like to use a floral water, a mixture of floral waters that smells amazing, like aromatherapy. I spray this onto the skin and then I wipe away the excess just to remove all traces from the exfoliant. Next, grab your bowl and pour boiling hot water into the bowl directly from the kettle. Be careful not to burn yourself. This part is optional. I've applied 1 drop of eucalyptus oil to my bowl. It helps with breathing, to clear your chest, and it's an antiseptic. Where I suffer from spots and breakouts, this is really good for me. I steamed my face for 10 minutes. I covered my head with a towel. I'm now applying my Sweet Blossom spray to wipe away any excess product. I am now going to use my facial mask. Choose your mask suitable for your skin type. At the moment, my skin needs hydrating. I am using a collagen face mask. It's not oily, but it's deeply hydrating and firming and plumping to my skin. This is one of my favourite face masks. It's quite cooling as well. I prefer to carry out my facial massage while I have my mask on. I like to use a cryo globe, but if you don't have a cryo globe, you can simply just use your favourite facial oil and perform a very nice, relaxing face massage before applying your face mask. I always feel a slight tingle every time I use this mask. This is my cryo globe. I store it in the freezer, so it's frozen. This is it. It's got a gel inside of it. It's a big metal ball, and what you can see on the top is frost from the freezer because it's that cold. The gel inside helps to keep the globe very, very cold so that it doesn't warm up while you are using it. Here, I've applied it to my neck. I never miss my neck out. That's part of your facial routine. I'm massaging it all over my face, starting at the chin area, the cheeks and the forehead. I do this around the eyes also. It's beneficial for spots, pigmentation, it's anti-aging. If you have suffered from swelling, it's a great tool to use to reduce inflammation. It's also beneficial all over the body. It's great if you suffer from eczema and psoriasis and other skin conditions. It's very gentle. The only thing is, it's very cold, and that is why I love it. Once you have finished with your mask, remove the mask, spritz your favourite toner, apply your eye serum. I'm using the iyesha Clinical Youth, my favourite eye serum. Only a small amount is needed. Dab this around the eyes, working the product into the skin and gently massaging and draining away towards the temples. Next, my moisturizer, Moisturising Complex by iyesha Clinical, again my favourite. I'm a iyesha Clinical fan here. Just a small amount of the cleanser is needed. Never forget to include your neck. The neck is one of the first signs to give away your age. So just keep toning it, and keeping up with your neck massages is beneficial as we get older. And there you have it, guys, your facial.